Okay, turns out that this Ryan is gonna be a lot easier than I expected it to be. At first, I thought I had something that was gonna cause me to have a multiple day delay, and that was opened it up to find out this freaking clutch just self-destructed. And that's probably why this was put down and not run for a while. But lucky for me, there's a Ryobi donor right there, and that Ryobi donated this Ryan, a clutch. And this clutch is perfect working order. I've had that run, and the clutch works really good. Now it's on the Ryan, and the crazy thing is, it's the exact size. Fits right on there like a glove. Fits on there like it was made for it. And another thing I found out is that the spring on this is not all rusted to hell. You know, the recoil spring like that right there? It's not all rusted to hell. On this, it actually has some recoil. It got a lot of friction. So all I need to do for this is just get the string from the donator, which is the Ryobi over there. I don't know where I put the string, but oh, the string is just right there. Well, I'm gonna put that string on this, and then look at this. See that? It's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but you can see it's got some recoil. It'll do a lot more if I pull it with two hands, but yeah, it's just a little stuck with this out. So I'm gonna oil it up with some 5W30, and I'm gonna put new string on it and get it tightened up again. So then all I'll need to do is just clean this carburetor, replace the gas lines, clean the fuel tank out with some soapy water because it's moldy because of the water, the rain and shit that got in there, and then put this all back together and it's good to go. Crazy thing about this is, look at how the throttle is. The throttle cable doesn't hook in there. The throttle cable is held in by that thing, like that screw thing, kind of like how the throttle is held on a Predator 212, like my mini bike, which is getting worked on. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I'd never seen anything like that for a Weedwacker. And the gasket, which, oh fuck, where did I put that gasket? Oh, it's right here. Okay. The gasket is really nice. This is the carburetor gasket. Looks like it's new almost, except when you look at it from that side, but that could get some reconditioning. Yeah, look at that. I pulled the clutch off, and instantly, fling, the freaking clutch just was exploded, basically. I don't know what the hell happened that caused that. I don't know how that happened. Somehow it did, and yeah, I'm replacing it. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun project. There's the rest of it. This is really, and this must have been a high-end Weedwacker for its time, because it's got a freaking automatic clutch. And a lot of these older Weedwackers that I've seen, they are just direct drive, no clutch. Like those are direct drive. Those shitty boxy Ryobis. That yellow one is direct drive. That Weed Eater is direct drive. Homelight is direct drive. A lot of things are direct drive from this time for Weedwackers. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. And yeah, so there's part 2.